here at Cardmaster Collectibles with what's inside Hydreigon Knockout Collection. This is old. Couple years. 2016, I believe. Yeah, there it is right there. 2016. 2 Pokemon booster packs, 1 gleaming Pokemon coin, 3 specially chosen foil cards. Okay. Let's see what packs. Looks like I don't even want to open it. Oh boy, there it is. Let's see what they are. Okay, so you leave one and wow, look at that. It's not too bad though. Warped much? Wow. Look at that. The warping. We're going to sleeve it anyway. We are going to sleeve that anyway. So, oh, you get 2 of them in here. Hydreigon. Okay, nice. And the 2 booster packs are XY Furious Fists and XY Primal Clash. Juice. And don't forget a coin. Let me know in the comments which pack do you like better.